Hello Year 2, welcome to your maths lesson today. It's Thursday the 4th of February 2021. Let's read our learning question together. Can I add 3 one-digit numbers? Now we started this yesterday. This is our second day on this learning question. Let's start with some number fact practice. We're going to make the number 10. Okay, so I've got a missing number calculation there. So 5 add something equals 10. 5 add, shout out for me. 5 add 5 equals 10. Well done. Are you ready for the next one? So I've got 10 equals 9 add. You ready to shout out the answer for me? 1. Well done. 10 is 9 and 1. Well, let's look at the next one. 10 equals something add 2. Can you remember the number fact? What must this be? After 3 you can shout out 1, 2, 3. Well done. It's 8. 8 and 2 make 10. Right, next one. 10 equals 7 add, you ready to shout out? Go! 7 add 3. Well done. The next one. 10 equals something add 4. What must that something be? You can shout out after 3. 1, 2, 3. That's right, it's 6. 6 add 4 make 10. And the last one. 10 equals something add 0. After 3 you can shout out what this something is. 1, 2, 3. That's it. It must be 10. 10 and 0 make 10. Do you know all these number facts? Okay, now we've got some doubles practice. So in the first column, I want to double all of these numbers, and the answers are in the second column. Will you help me match them together? So let's start with double 1. Can you see the answer? Shout stop when I get to double 1. Well done. Double 1 is 2. I'm going to join those together. 1 and 1 make 2. Right, let's start with 2 now. Let's find the double of 2. Are you ready? I'm going to start here. Can you see my pen? Shout stop when I get to double 2. Well done. Double 2 is 4. 2 add 2 equals 4. Now let's find the answer to double 3. I'm going to start at the bottom this time. Is 12 double 3? No. Where is it? Where is it? Where's the answer to double 3? Can you see it? Shout stop when you can. Ah, brilliant. Double 3 is 6. Let's double 4 now. Where's the answer to double 4? Is it this number? Is it this number? Is it this number? Is it this number? Yes, well done. Double 4 is 8. What's double 5, year 2? Is it 16? Is it 12? Is it 14? Is it 10? Yes, it is. Double 5 is 10. 5 and 5 is 10. Double 6. Where's double 6? Can you see it? Yes. Double 6 is 12. Now let's double 7. Where's the answer? Shout out for me. Double 7 is 14. Join those two together. 7 and 7 is 14. Double 8. I've only got 2 numbers left now. Double 8. Is it 16 or 18? That's right. It's 16. Double 8 is 16. 8 add 8 equals 16. So I now know that double 9, hopefully you know this anyway, is 18. 9 add 9 is 18. Do you know all those doubles without having to work them out? Right, let's move on now to adding small numbers. So I'm going to say the parts and you're going to shout out the whole. Are you ready? 4 add 3 is brilliant, 7. Make sure you shout nice and loud. 1 add 4 is 5. Well done. 5 add 3 is brilliant. It's 8. And the last one, 6 add 0 is, yes, it's 6. So remember, these small numbers, in year 2, we need to start being able to remember and recall these facts. Okay, so now it's time to write the date and the learning question into our books. And I want to see beautifully sized finger spaces, please. Not too big, not too small, okay? And all your letters sitting on the line. And Birchie is looking out for great presentation. So stop the video now and write the learning question into your purple book. Okay, have you done that? I hope so. So yesterday, when we were adding 3 one-digit numbers, which is our learning question, we used Tommy's strategy. And remember, Tommy liked to start with the largest number and then count on using counters. And this is Lever's work from 2CS. So let's look at the first one. She put 5 in her head and then used counters to count on to 10. Now this one, she put 7 in her head and used counters to count on to 17. Okay, so that's the strategy that Tommy uses. So we've done that one now, we've done Tommy's strategy. So today it's time to look at Mo's strategy. And Mo says, I like to use number facts. So he's going to spot number facts to help him add 3 numbers. Tell me what Mo's going to do to help him add 3 numbers. What's he going to do? Well done, he's going to spot number facts. Let's practice using Mo's strategy. Okay, first thing we need to do using Mo's strategy is have a look at the calculation. I've got my 3 digits there. Read it for me. 4 add, can't hear you. Right, let's spot the number fact that's going to help us. Can you see a number fact, 2 numbers that we should know a fact for? I can see 4 and 4. So I'm going to join those 2 numbers together, 4 and 4, and that's double 4, which is 8. So Mo spotted 4 and 4 is 8, and then he's going to count on 3 more. 8, use my pointy stick, 8, 9, 10, 11. He counted on 3 more. Now he could also draw 3 counters here to help him count on, if you need to. So Mo's strategy, spot the number fact and then count on to find out the total. What was the total again? That's right, it was 11. Okay, let's have another practice. Let's have a look at the calculation. Now let's read the calculation. I need to hear you loud and clear. 3 add Now I can't see a double here, so that's not the number fact I'm going to use. Can you see the number fact that Mo's going to use? Can you see two numbers that I could join together to make a fact? Brilliant, that's right. It's 3 and 7. 3 and 7 make 10. So Mo's found a number fact for 10. He's added those together. Now we've got 10 and I need to add on 8 more. 10 and 8. Do you know the answer? That's right, it's 18. Now again, if you didn't know, if you couldn't add on 8 in your head, you could still draw counters underneath that third number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that would be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so spot a number fact and then count on. Use counters if you need to. Let's do another one. So let's look at the calculation first. Right, let's read it together. 6. Can't hear you. Right, what's our number fact here that's going to help us? Brilliant. I can see double 6. I can see 6 add 6. Do you know double 6 is a number fact? Mo does. It's 12. So he's used a number fact to add those two numbers. Now we need to add 2 more. So 12 and 2. How many altogether? That's right, 14. Now again, he could have drawn 2 counters there to help him. 12, 13, 14. But we're trying not to use counters too much today. One more practice. Look at the calculation. Read the calculation. 1 add 5. Right, where's my number fact? What's the number fact that's going to help me work this out really quickly? Brilliant. Did you spot that 1 and 9 make? 1 and 9 make? That's right, they make 10. So now I just need to add 10 and 5. Can you do that mentally? Brilliant. 10 and 5 make 15. Answer in there. And again, if you needed to, you could have counted, used counters for that third number. Okay, and then counted on 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so today Mo's been successful because he's spotted, in this example, he spotted doubles. In this example, he spotted a number fact for 10. This number fact, he spotted doubles again. And this final example, he spotted a number fact for 10. So that's your strategy today, to spot number facts, either doubles or facts for 10, and count on. And remember, you can use counters to count on if you need to. Okay, so this is your task today. You've got 8 questions to do neatly into your book. Now, if you're finding this a bit tricky to spot the number facts, go back to using Tommy's strategy, okay? But please look at the numbers and see if you can spot number facts. They are there, okay? Now, in your book, under the date and learning question, this is how your work should look, okay? So you copy the calculation nice and neatly, you join the number fact together, and then count on drawing the counters if you need to. Can't wait to see you using Mo's strategy. Please email clear pictures of your work to teachers y2 at birchfields.manchester.sch.uk. Good job today, everybody.